Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem codes in Lands of Jail so you can claim free rewards and bonuses in the game. If you're new or unsure where to find the redeem option, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. To get started, open Lands of Jail and make sure you've completed the tutorial. It's important to note that brand new accounts won't see the redeem option right away, so you'll need to level up your warden to a certain point before it becomes available. Once you're on the main game screen, check the top left corner to confirm that your profile is unlocked. After that, head to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Redeem Code option and select it to open the redemption screen. Now, enter a valid and active redeem code into the text field, making sure to type it exactly as shown, including any capital letters if required. Once done, tap the Redeem button. If the code is valid, the rewards will be sent directly to your account, and you can check your inventory or mailbox to confirm they've been added. This process works the same way on both Android and iOS devices. That's all you need to know about redeeming codes in Lands of Jail. I hope this video helped you out. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more game guides and tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.